This video is on evaluating and solving functions. So our function here is f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1. So our first problem here is f of 1. And notice the difference between the two. F of 1 versus f of x is equal to 1. In this first one, f of 1, we've substituted 1 in for x. So wherever we see an x in our equation, we're going to put a 1 there instead. And then from here, you are just simplifying using your order of operations. And we get that f of 1 is equal to 5. Now, in our second example, we have f of x is equal to 1. So we're taking the entire equation f of x and setting it equal to 1. So now we have x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 1. Since this is a quadratic equation, our first step for solving these is that they must be set equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides, and we get x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. From here, we're going to try to factor. We can pull out a greatest common factor. They both have an x in it. So we're going to take out an x squared divided by x is x, 3x divided by x is 3. And then from here, you are using your zero product property. You're going to set both of your factors equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 0. That's one of our answers. And then we're going to have x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now we subtract 3 from both sides. And we also have the answer that x equals -3.